Hey you guys, welcome to another video. So I'm going to be doing this soft chocolate smoky eye. This is an updated look that I did a little over a year ago just with some different products, so stick around. So the palette I'm using today is Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and one of the staple palettes in my collection, probably one of my favorites of all the Juvia's palettes that I have. And I'm just going to take that shade and blend it out right over my crease under my brow. We're gonna use that as the transition shade. And just in case you see me talking in this video, it wasn't intended to be a voiceover. However, it was very early in the morning. My voice was a little raspy, and your girl was just, it was sounding a little crunchy. So I probably will go in and out with the voiceover and the video audio, but for right now we're gonna just do the voiceover. And yeah, so I hope it doesn't bother you guys at all. Alright, so next I'm picking up this dark brown shade, and I'm going to just pat it in the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to start to blend it out all over the bottom part of my lid. And then once we do that, then we're going to just blend it out in the crease so that we don't have any harsh lines, and it blends seamlessly with our first shade. So I'm just going back and I'm taking the first brush that we used with the first shade, and I'm just going and doing some extra blending. And you don't necessarily have to pick up product unless you feel like you have to, but you can either clean the brush or you can use whatever product is left over on the brush to just blend it out a little bit more and make it look a little bit more cleaner. And then I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to tap it into this is like a dark gray. Can you guys see it? It's like a dark gray shade here. And then I'm going to tap it also, tap it also into this black. And we're gonna just go right above our lash line right here, and we're gonna tap that in, and we're gonna kind of blend it out. So I'm just gonna take the brush that I use with the dark brown shade, and I'm just gonna blend those two together. So I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera, and I'm gonna link them down below. I got them from Amazon. They're 10 in a pack. It's $10, and I ordered. This is not the first time I ordered a style from this particular company. However, it was giving a little bit of an issue. The eye was giving like 18 millimeters on one side, maybe 22 millimeters on the other. So I kind of had to pick and choose which lash on either side I was going to use. So that was the only thing with that. So I'm just going into this Ace Beauty highlighter palette, and I'm picking up these two shades here, and I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner. I always forget to do my inner corner before I do my liquid liner, so it's just a little bad habit that I have. But usually I would do this before I put on my liquid liner. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys I put on my liquid liner. I put on my lashes and my liquid liner. The liner I'm using is the NYX matte liquid liner. And yeah, so just a little FYI, I always put that on before I put my liner on. So I'm just gonna finish off with my face. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and I'm using that in the shade 470. And for my concealer, I'm going to be using my fave, my Born This Way sculpting concealer in the shade Butterscotch. And I'm going to leave a list of the rest of the products that I use down below. Right, guys, so I went and did my edges and, you know, put a little bling on, put a little outfit on, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you were able to follow along, I hope you were able to achieve the look that you wanted. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go down and leave a comment, like this video, and also turn on the bell notification so that you know when I upload next. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one.